Okay, good day everyone. I want to explain to us in this tutorial how we can remove the background of an image. Instead of using other image remover app, background image remover app, we can do that on PixelLab, and it is very easy. I want you to watch this video to the end, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so now. Kindly do so now so that you will get other tutorials from us. So I want us to pay attention as I explain to us the step-by-step guide on how we can remove the background of an image on PixelLab. Okay, now this is our canvas. So what we need to do is let's change the we want to change the background. So you change the background. I know we can do that. Let's change the background to white. Okay, so we want to bring in our image. We're going to bring in our image. That's the next step we're going to do to bring in our image. So we click on the plus sign to bring in the image. So let's see. Okay, let's make use of this image. Okay, let's make use of this image. So we want to remove the background of this image. Let's delete this. Let's delete this so that we can see what I'm doing very well. Okay, we want to remove the background of this image. As you can see, this is the image. All you need to do is you go to erase color. You go to erase color. You go to erase color. So that's all you need to do. This is it. This is it. Erase color. Okay. So that's just it. Then you click on it. When you click on it, the next thing you need to do is enable it. Enable it. Okay. You enable it. You click on that button to enable it. So when you enable it, it's going to bring out different tools. You can see we have so many tools. We have the plus sign, we have the minus sign, we have the less than sign, we have the greater than sign, we have tolerance, we have smooth edges, we have also have the minus the minus sign, the plus sign. Okay, now the next thing you can see you can see the color picker. Okay, what you need to do next is you go to the color picker. So this is it. You click on this. Okay, so when you click on this, it's going to bring the color picker. The color picker will now is there so that you can indicate the aspect you want to remove, the color you want to remove, and since it's the background we want to remove, so we're going to place it on that background. So we place it on the background. When you place it on the background, the next thing you need to do is click on this. Click on OK. You click on this. When you click on this, you see it has removed the background completely. You can see now it has removed the background completely. So instead of going to sometimes when we use most of this app to remove the background, it reduces the quality. So you can also remove the background of an image using PixelLab. And in a situation whereby you want to remove other parts, maybe you remove one part, you still want to remove other parts, all you need to do is still go back to erase color. Still go back to erase color, click on it. Now you will see a plus sign. This is a plus sign. You click on the plus sign. Ensure that you click on the plus sign if you are going to do the same process again on a particular image. When you click on the plus sign, it will change to 2. It shows that you want to remove another part. So when it changes to 2, you can do it as many times as possible. It change to 4, and if you want to reduce it, click on the minus button. So since we are going to 2, when you click on 2, the next thing you need to do is the same process. It's the same process. Click on this. Okay, when you click on that, it will bring in the color picker too. So maybe you have another part that you want to clean on the background. So when you place it on that position, it will show the color. You see the way it's showing the color on this, on the face of this image. That's how it's going to show the color you want to remove. Did you see? So when you do that, but because you are not removing any other parts from this image, I will just go ahead and cancel it. So it's very easy, very easy. Okay, so this is a particular way we can remove the background of an image. You can try it instead of stressing yourself going to remove the background with another app, bringing it to PixelLab. You can also do your work this way. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment.